Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Aetna Health app on your device. So let's get started. So it is very easy to do that and you can also do. So first of all, if you are an Android user, you should must use your Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, then you should use your Apple Store. So just go there, and from here you have to search for the Aetna. Okay, just search it here, Aetna Health app. Okay, so just do it here, just click on install, and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. And then you can go to the ratings, rate the app, and also you can do, and from here you can use the app as well. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.